In a saga stretching across decades, power, press, and property converge in what has come to be known as the National Herald case, a complex legal and political battle surrounding Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and a valuable plot in Panchkula, Haryana. The Enforcement Directorate has filed a charge sheet accusing the Gandhis of illegal land acquisition through Associated Journals Limited, AJL, allegedly facilitated by political favoritism and undervalued real estate transactions. At the center of it lies plot number C17, Sector 6, Panchkula. Founded by Jawaharlal Nehru in 1937, AJL was a Congress mouthpiece during India's independence movement. Though it ceased publication in 2008, it retained valuable real estate assets, triggering accusations of asset laundering via Young Indian, a company controlled by the Gandhis. CT. The 3,360 square meter plot was originally allotted to AJL in 1982 by the Haryana Urban Development Authority. AJL failed to construct on it for over 2 decades. In 2005, it was controversially re-allotted by Bhupinder Singh Huda's government, just 6 months into his tenure as Chief Minister. The Enforcement Directorate, or ED, alleges that the re-allotment was made at 59.3 lakh rupees, over 100 times less than the market value. The re-allotment order ignored the prior cancellation that was due to non-utilization. And this, well, raises suspicions of quid pro quo and criminal conspiracy under the Prevention of Corruption Act. The case really pivots around violations of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, 2002, Indian Penal Code sections 420 and 120B, and the Haryana Land Allotment Rules. The original order for re-allotment was reportedly passed without the mandatory institutional use verification, which honestly violates public land allotment policies. Huda, who was then the Chief Minister of Haryana, is accused of acting against the advice of the legal department. The State Vigilance Bureau flagged the decision, and that actually prompted both CBI and ED inquiries. In 2018, the CBI booked Huda and others under charges of criminal conspiracy and criminal breach of trust. The Congress leadership has denied all allegations, calling the probe a political vendetta. They argue that Young Indian was formed to revive AJL and preserve a historic publication, not to gain real estate assets. Between 2016 and 2024, multiple agencies investigated the re-allotment. The Enforcement Directorate's April 2025 charge sheet names Sonia and Rahul Gandhi, citing disproportionate gains to Young Indian. The court has listed April 25th as the next date for hearing. The National Herald case is more than a land dispute. It's, a case study in the use of discretionary powers, political patronage, and regulatory loopholes. It also raises key questions on land reallocation, transparency, and the ethics of public office. As the legal battle resumes on April 25th, the case could shape future discourse on political accountability and misuse of public resources. Whether it ends in conviction or acquittal, its ramifications for India's democratic institutions remain significant. This video was compiled from verified investigative sources, public court records, and current affairs coverage curated for educational purposes.